Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Corey Parks, owner of HydroHelp911. I wanted to talk to you today about what problems will crawlspace jacks or basement jacks solve for you, the customer, and for your home. And so in our industry, we like using jacks because of the adjustability, but they have to be the right jacks. These are not jacks that we go to Lowe's or a Home Depot or another big box store and buy. 99% of the time, those stores are selling temporary jacks that do not meet code and will get called out on a home inspection when you go to sell your home. The jacks that we use are permanent jacks that are anchored into footings and that are physically attached both to the footing and to the beams that we install above. One of the reasons we like the jacks is because their adjustability. If for some reason we needed to come back in the future and just half an inch up or half an inch down, it's just a simple turn, lock it into place, it's good to go. That jack basically looks like a metal pole, however tall we need it. It's 3 inches, 3.5 inches round, and it's just got a screw on top that allows us to adjust up or adjust down slightly. Most jacks have about a 4-inch adjustment. So you can go up 4 inches or down 4 inches, but you can't go no more than that. If you go any more than that, we're gonna have to cut longer pipe, which is not a problem. The problems they solve though is just allowing us to have that fine tuning of those adjustments, whether it's a 1/4 of an inch up, 1/4 of an inch down. It's super easy to do. It's actually so easy, most homeowners are able to do it, but we're always happy to help. If somebody doesn't know how to do it, we're happy to come out. Hopefully this video helps about what problems crawlspace jacks will solve for you. And if you have any other questions, please reach out and let us know. Thanks.